Check the wiring of L, N, S of the outdoor PCB. Check if the wiring of the electric reactors of the outdoor unit is well connected. Measure the resistance value of the reactor. The normal resistance value should be within the range of 0 to 1 ohm. If not, replace the reactor. If the error still exists after the maintenance procedure above, replace the outdoor PCB. If the error still exists, replace the indoor PCB. If the voltage is a fixed value, possible malfunction should have occurred on the indoor unit. Main attention should be paid for the indoor unit. Check the wiring of the indoor unit, which includes the power wires and the connecting wires between indoor and outdoor units. Check the wiring of L, N, S of the indoor PCB. If the error still exists after the maintenance above, replace the indoor PCB. If error still exists, replace the outdoor PCB.